Why your Ninja cold press isn't juicing well. If your Ninja cold press isn't juicing like it should, here's what usually causes the problem and how to fix it fast. 1. Prep ingredients correctly. Chop tough or stringy produce like celery or kale into smaller pieces. Oversized or fibrous chunks can block the agar and reduce juice flow. 2. Choose the right filter. Use the fine mesh filter for thinner juices and the coarse mesh for pulpier blends. Picking the wrong filter can clog the system or leave too much pulp. 3. Don't overstuff the feed chute. Feed ingredients slowly, one handful at a time. Overloading the chute can jam the agar and lower extraction. 4. Reverse when needed. If juice flow slows down or the motor strains, hit the reverse button for a few seconds. It can clear minor clogs without taking the juicer apart. 5. Keep the filter clean. Even a little pulp buildup can block juice from passing through. Rinse the filter right after juicing and use a fine cleaning brush. We've linked a good one below that fits perfectly. If you prep your ingredients right, choose the right filter, and keep everything clean, your Ninja cold press should juice smoothly every time. If you need a proper cleaning brush set, we've linked one below to make maintenance easier. If this helped improve your juicing, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and juice easy.